I will show you how to join crew in GTA 5 online. First, open the GTA 5 game. Make sure you are in GTA 5 online mode. Then press ESC on the keyboard. Choose to the online section. Click Crews. Choose Suggested Crews. There are a lot of crews here. Choose the one you want to join. Click Join Crew. Then Yes. If you have already joined, go back to the online section. Choose Crews. Press Friends. Crews. If your friend is online, your friend will appear here. That's how. It's easy, right?
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.